Hi guys, welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a wonderful hand softening oil scrub. At the moment we're constantly washing and disinfecting our hands because of the coronavirus. This causes very dry hands. But this hand scrub is going to make your hands lovely and soft again.
For this you will need, for 200 milliliters of hand scrub, 50 to 60 grams of sugar, 50 to 60 grams of salt, 100 milliliters of olive oil, a pot which can approximately hold 200 milliliters of liquid, a spoon to stir the mixture, and a spoon to add salt and sugar to the mixture. You will also need essential oil for the aroma.
Step 1.
Pour the 100 milliliters of olive oil into the bowl.
Step 2.
Pour the 50 to 60 grams of sugar into the bowl with the olive oil.
It's about half full. Perfect. Well done. Step 3.
Add the 50 to 60 grams of salt to the pot and stir.
Step 4.
Add a few drops of the essential oil to the mixture. Now stir the mixture to distribute the essential oil.
Step 5.
Fill the mixture into your containers.
A little bit more?
Nope, that's fine.
That's fine, okay.
And now we go to the next one. And that's fine.
Oops.
And now you are done.
So, on the top.
You can even use it for your feet or your whole body. Please leave a like and consider subscribing.